Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to auto-post up to 1000 threads in just 1 minute using the most powerful automation tool. If you're running AI-generated content or OnlyFans promotions, this will help you grow fast. Let's begin with account management. You can add and control thousands of threads accounts. Each account uses a dedicated proxy for unique IPs and opens in a private anti-detect browser. That means you're completely safe and invisible while posting at scale. Now, why auto-post on Threads? Threads is Meta's fastest growing platform, perfect for traffic and less strict than Instagram. Posting 1000 times a day means massive traffic, and this software does it automatically. Now let's head to the auto-post to Threads feature. Here you can upload all kinds of content, images, text, videos, and links. You can even bulk import and spin variations for massive scaling. Now we configure up to 1000 accounts posting at the same time. Add delays between 5 to 10 seconds to stay under the radar. Need stealth? Set the post to auto-delete after a few hours. Great for Black Hat promos. Enable features like auto-like, auto-comment, and pin post to top. You can even geo-target. Now hit start. The system logs in each account, posts, likes, and comments, all hands-free. You'll see 1000 threads go live in under 60 seconds. It's that powerful. Whether you're building an AI brand or promoting premium content, this is your advantage. Now let's check the result. You can see in just a short time, the software has helped you post a series of threads. DM me on Telegram or WhatsApp for setup support, links below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your team.